Alright then, hello guys. Today we're gonna be doing another Pico CTF challenge. Oh no, not Pico CTF, my bad. We're gonna be doing another CryptoHacks challenge. The challenge we're gonna be doing today is gonna be called XOR Starter. It says XOR is a bitwise operator in which returns 0 if the bits are the same and 1 otherwise. In textbooks, the XOR operator is denoted by this figure right here. But most challenges and programming languages you'll see the caret sign for used instead. For longer binary numbers, we use XOR bits by 0110 and 1010. We can XOR integers by first converting the integers from decimal to binary. And we can XOR strings by first converting each character to the integer representing a Unicode character. Given the string label, XOR each character with integer 13, convert these integers back to string, and submit the flag as crypto new string. So we're going to be submitting crypto, and then new string is basically whatever this value is XOR to. So let's look up a Python interpreter. And we could probably do this very quickly. Let's do this one. So we know the value is label, so we'll call it, I guess, new string. New string is equal to label. And now what we want to be able to do is for every x in new string, let's do, I think it's int. We could do like force it to be an int every character in each string, and then XOR it by 13. And then we want to be able to CHR, turn it back, no, turn it to, yeah, is equal to new value. We're gonna store it as new value, and then for every new value we're just gonna do an empty final string, and then final string is basically plus equals new value, and then we're gonna print out final string. So let's run this and see if my logic works. What do you mean new string? Final string is an empty string. With base L, label, new value, int. Ord. Wait, is it ord? I think it's ord. We could probably look this up. I always forget. So turn char to int. Python. Ord. Okay, ord. This is gonna turn a character to a string. Can only concatenate string, not int into string. Or new value, and a new value is gonna be CHR. Turn it back into a character. Aloha. That's, I guess, what needs to be put inside at the end. So let's go back right here. It says XOR is a bitwise operator which returns 0. Oh no, okay, it says given the string label, XOR each character with the integer 13, which is what we're doing here. Every character we see in new string, we're XORing it by the value 13. But convert these integers back to string and submit as flag. But it says right here we can XOR strings by first converting each character to an integer representing the Unicode characters, and that's what we did here with ORed. So that's what we did beforehand, and we XORed it. So this is basically an integer value that we get, and after that we turn it back into a character, and we're adding them all up to this final string, which is empty, which is then printing out the value aloha. And we could confirm this by, if we check, if we want to view the solution, we see crypto aloha, which is the final answer for this challenge. So yeah, nothing too difficult, but still pretty fun challenge. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.